Yo, let's talk real about making money online. Are you sick of those get rich quick promises that never pan out? Maybe you have tried dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or Amazon FBA, and it's not the easy cash people hype it up to be. You are drowned in YouTube videos from gurus swearing you will be rolling the dough in next week. Yeah, right. If you're wondering why it's not clicking for you, then this video is for you. I'm gonna break it down, save you some headaches, and share 2 legit ways to make money online. No BS, just real talk. Oh, and stick around, I got some tips and tricks down the lane. So, my story, I've been there, I flopped that. I was you not long ago, cashing that online money dream, thinking I just needed the right trick. I put my service up on Fiverr, nobody cared, tried trading and kissed my cash goodbye. I was like, why this not working? And here's the deal. It's not that these things don't work, they just don't work like magic for everyone. Every online gig has a learning curve and you got to put in some effort. The real question is not does it work, but is it worth my time and hustle? I dug through a ton of online business ideas and found 2 that actually have legs. They are not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but they are solid and don't require selling your kidney. So let's get into it. The truth about those millionaire courses. The internet is a wild place, full of people trying to sell you the next big thing, a course on some random app or a secret system to millions. Most of it's a hype. Good news, you can find almost all that information for free on YouTube or blogs if you are willing to search. Courses can be handy for organizing stuff or giving your community, but watch out for red flags. If you hear easy money, passive income, or guaranteed, then run. It's probably too good to be true. Now let's talk about 2 businesses that actually work. First one is Amazon KDP. Picture this. You publish a book on Amazon's KDP and start seeing sales. Sounds dope, right? It's legit and pretty doable. You make a book, think like a journal, coloring book, or something cocky that could go viral. Publish it on KDP and get the word out. You can drop some cash on Amazon, FB, and Instagram ads, or go free with TikTok. Why TikTok? TikTok is the best place for marketing. If you search for hashtag BookTalk or Amazon KDP, you will see people posting 2 to 3 videos a day showing off their books in fun, viral ways. The trick is finding what clicks with viewers and doing it again. Stuff like journals, diaries, or funny books tend to pop off because they are super shareable. So now let's talk about the money math. Say your book priced at $16, that's your profit after Amazon takes its cut. You post a TikTok that blows up with 100,000 views, and if just 1% of those folks buy your book, that's 1,000 sales or $16,000. Not too shabby for something that costs almost nothing to start. So now how to kick it off? First you have to sign up for KDP. It's free, just make an account on Amazon KDP site. Then you can create your book, write or design something cool. Canva is a great place to start. Get on TikTok, set up a profile with a link to your book, and publish your book. Upload it to the KDP and pick a price. Then you can post 1 to 3 videos a day, try fun, creative content to grab attention and audience. And then you can double down on winners. If a video pop off or go viral, make more videos like that. The second method is YouTube. I know everyone says that YouTube is saturated, but still, you can build a channel and make bank. YouTube is my top pick for making real sustainable money online. A few solid videos can build you a fan base and open up to all kinds of ways to make money. Here's why it's awesome. So the main way how you get paid is ads, and there's more. Once you hit YouTube's monetization requirements like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you start earning from YouTube ads. You can also make money with sponsorships, affiliate links, or selling your own stuff down the line, and the opportunities are endless. So now how to crush it? First, you have to pick a niche you vibe with, something you like that's got earning potential like tech, fitness, or niche hobby. Then you have to know your people, figure out who is watching and what they are into. Then you have to make killer videos, put effort into scripts, editing and thumbnails. You can do it yourself or you can hire help. and nail the details. Write catchy titles, descriptions, and tags, and focus on CTR and other fancy words and audience retention to get YouTube to push your videos. You can all these things down the lane, just start it. Keep posting, make videos people can't stop watching. The secret? Create stuff that's so good people click and stick around. High CTR and retention make YouTube algorithm love you and it will show your videos to way more people. If you just want some extra cash for school or whatever, you can do it all by yourself. But if you got bigger dreams, think about outsourcing stuff like editing to scale up. YouTube is all about staying consistent and getting better over time. Another thing is keep it real. Both KDP and YouTube work, but they are not set it and forget it. You'll hit bumps and that's okay. Every time you push through, you learn something new and get sharper. Next time the same problem pop up, you'll already know how to handle it. So now what's your deal? Have you tried making money online before? Drop your story in the comments whether it was a win or a flop. I want to hear it. If this video helps you out, smash that like button and I'll catch you in the next one. Let's get that online hustle going. One step at a time, one day it will 10x.